Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today I am doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. If this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you are new here and if this is your first time watching, thanks for stopping by. I would ask that if you like my content that you would please subscribe and also like, share with your friends, tell them, hey, I ran across this nice lady's channel and she gives off good energy. You ought to check her out. I would appreciate that. So August 2nd is my birthday, and the whole entire month I give thanks first to the Lord for letting me see another day, and I also spoil myself. No one can spoil you like you can spoil yourself. So August is like the month that I just like to spend money. So today I am doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, as I said. I received this in the mail and it came like this. It didn't have any ribbon or anything on it, which was kind of disappointing, but it's still what I wanted. So let's just open it up and see what we have here. So such a huge box for such a little package. Let's see. Okay. I bet you guys thought I had something huge, huh? It just came in a big box. So, here we are. So, this is make sure you can see it. The new Odeon PM in natural. It comes in a black and it comes in natural. I opted for the natural because I loved the I just love the like leather and the, I don't know, natural color. So here she is. And inside is a strap. I really love the size of this strap. Nice size. Let's put the straps on. So this bag has been out for probably about a month or so, maybe a little longer, but not long. I love on the back, it has the, if you see the detailing, this bag says that it was made in France. Made in France. The inside, really nice size. I can imagine putting a lot in this. I plan on wearing this crossbody most of the time. Love it. I will do mod shots so you can see how it looks. So here are the mod shots. I love how this bag looks on me. I especially love the front pocket. That will be where I will slide my cell phone. If you guys would like, I can do a what fits in my bag so we can see how useful and how much stuff we can get in it. So that concludes what I want to share with you today. Tell me what you think about this bag. I think it is gorgeous, or she is gorgeous. I love everything about the bag. Can't wait to wear it. I can see this kind of like an everyday bag, even though I don't really carry my bags like that. I just really love it. When I first saw this bag, I said I had to have it. I knew I had to have it. So I'm really excited about this. If you enjoyed this video, I'd ask that you please like and subscribe. Grow with me as I grow. Watch me develop. And I really appreciate you for sticking with me and for also watching this video. Thanks so much, and you have a great day.